What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the celebrities that got their hands on the 5711 Tiffany. But before we jump into the video, I think it's just right if we start the morning with some coffee, shall we? So it was the December 15, 2021 when we have seen the 5711 Tiffany for the first time in public, and that was worn by Jay-Z. Now, I was a little surprised to see Jay-Z as the first one to get, possession of this watch, because I don't know why. But then I quickly come to realize that Jay-Z is the brand ambassador for Tiffany. And from all we know is that Patek and Tiffany, when they made these 170 watches, they announced that the watches will be strictly sold at the Tiffany boutiques. And for that reason, considering that Jay-Z is the brand ambassador for Tiffany & Co., it's not surprising at all that he got the watch. Next up on the list is none other than Lebron James. This guy has got his watch on December 25th, where he was seen rocking the watch on December 25th of 2021. This was the second time that we saw publicly somebody wearing the 5711 Tiffany dial. Now, I think there's no better gift that you can give yourself right around that Christmas time than the one and only limited edition 5711 Tiffany. And this is exactly what LeBron did, and I think that's just phenomenal. It's a beautiful, gorgeous watch that I've completely trashed in one of my previous videos because I was mad they only did 170 pieces for the whole world. I want to get one too, man, why you gotta be like that? But whatever. With that being said, LeBron James was also spotted at the Super Bowl in Los Angeles on February 13, 2022. And that just shows that this guy is not afraid of rocking the watch out in public, and I'm sure he has a boatload of security around him and stuff, but he's very happy rocking it, so I'm happy for him too. And jealous a little bit. Next up on the list, we have Corey Gamble. Now, I've never heard of this guy before, but it says that we probably mostly know him from the long relationship that he had with Kris Jenner, so the ex-boyfriend of Kris Jenner. He was spotted at the Lakers-Nets game in December, or on December 25th of 2021, also rocking a 5711 Tiffany. Now, there's only one picture of this guy wearing the watch, and it's a little far and it's a little out of focus, but from what we see and from what we can tell and assume, it is the Tiffany dial, and that's just cool. That's just really, really nice. Now, next up on the list, we have Zach Liu. I have no idea who this guy is, but from the research that I've done and from what I've seen, this is the guy that paid for the watch at the auction around $5 million. With the closing cost and everything that was on top, insurance and other things, it was around $6.5 million. But January 27th is the day when he took possession of this watch. And I think it's crazy good, but I also think he's a loser. Because most likely Jay-Z and every other guy who got this watch, they either had it gifted from Tiffany & Co. because of their long history and relationship with Tiffany, and probably they bought a lot of other stuff from Tiffany throughout the history of their relationship, and for that reason they got it as a gift, or they bought it at retail, which was around $55,000 or so. For that reason, seeing this guy paying $6 million, or a little over $5, but again, with everything in, it was on average of $6.5 million. Now, I've also heard that all of those money were donated to a charity. I just think it's stupid. I'm glad that they went to a charity, but I also think it's completely stupid to spend $6 million for the watch. I mean, there's nothing special in that. To me, I think that the people who bought it retail is always best, because that's the true value of the watch. On the secondary market, after you wear it, after you enjoy it, you know that that watch is in the millions now, while you've spent less than a tenth for this watch. So this guy that spent $6 million, he can flex all he wants. I just think it was stupid. Next up on the list, we have none other than one of our favorite actors, and that is Leo, my man Leo. He was spotted on January 30th with the 5711 Tiffany. What a better way to flex in Los Angeles in front at the whole nation than wearing one of those 170 pieces collaboration of Patek and Tiffany. Leo has thought about that, you know, he knows what's up. He got it. And the last one that we have on the list today is Mark Wahlberg. I think it should be no surprise. And to me, it was a much bigger surprise to see Leo wearing this watch than Mark Wahlberg. And I thought that Mark will actually take possession first, because this guy has a crazy collection and it's huge up there in the millions. He is not afraid to rock his watches anywhere, from his Rainbow Daytona to the craziest of crazy. And seeing him rock a 5711 Tiffany is no surprise to me, and I think it should not be a surprise to you guys either. So far we have about 6 people that we know officially who has gotten their hands on the limited edition 170 pieces only Tiffany & Co. and Patek Philippe 5711 Nautilus. I think it's great, but I think that soon we'll be seeing more, and I will keep you guys updated every single time I find out who gets to wear one of these watches or to own one of these watches. I am only a few days away from unlocking a so-called community tab here on YouTube, where I'll also be able to post pictures, not only videos, and that is great because I do try my best to post a video every week. So in between the videos, I will also drop 2-3 pictures there, you know, and will be more active. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated with every single other celebrity or popular person, or a person with a lot of money, or whoever just gets their hands on the limited edition Patek and Tiffany. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. Comment down below what you want to see next. If you guys want me to get my hands on a watch, or when you want me to just, you know, come here and rant about a watch, or if there's some new releases that I just have missed or something like that, that you would like me to have a look at them or critique them, or you know, just talk some nonsense. So if you don't take yourself too serious, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.